Hey guys, it's Imani Ry'Onne, and today I'm going to be taking you guys with me. I'm going to be running a few errands, so hopefully I can get some good footage for you guys. I just kind of did my hair really quick. This is like 4-day-old hair. I've washed it, so I just did something with myself, my eyebrows, slight makeup. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna take you guys with me, and like I said, hopefully we can get some footage. It's really nice out today, so hopefully we can get some footage. I'm gonna try to go to Walmart. I'm gonna try to go to Walmart and Dollar Tree and just look and see if I can find some cute stuff. My mom's birthday is coming up, so I'm gonna try and see if I can, oh gosh, sorry guys. I'm gonna try and see if I can put together a cute little box for her and send to her for her birthday. Like I've said before in other videos, my birthday was on the 24th. And my mom's birthday is on April 3rd. So our birthday is like a week apart, a little over a week apart. So we're both Aries. Can you imagine toxic? Can you imagine growing up in a household as the same sign as your parent? So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys and hopefully we can find something interesting, something good, something cute to put together. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am in Walmart and I don't know exactly what I'm looking for. I want to do something cute and unique, but I don't know exactly what, so hopefully while I'm in here something will come to me. I don't want to do something like clothes. I mean, if I have to, like, that's fine. Like, obviously, like, what is she gonna do, send it back? But I want to do something like different though. I know she likes wine, but I have no idea. I mean, I'm old enough to drink, but I don't drink, so I don't know anything about like types of like alcohol or anything like that. So, and I mean, I could call her and just lie to her. That's what I do for all of like Christmas and all of that. I just call her under the guise of me getting it for somebody else or for something else. And she never knows the difference because I could be telling the truth or I could be lying. So I don't really know what to get. Like, do you think this is cute, guys? So they've got, I think these are pajamas, but they've got, it says cuddle all day, which is super cute. And then they have, let me put my keys up because I don't want to lose these. And then they have this one in red that just says loved, and then this one just says Sunday fun day. So, oh, and these are smalls, I think. With the small, this is a small, guys, and the small looks like super huge. But all I see in the red are like mediums, so I don't know. But they look like oversized. Like, you guys can see that they look like oversized, so I think I might just do the Sunday fun day. Is that cute? Maybe we'll just do this Sunday fun day. Okay, so I lied about what I said earlier. Apparently we're just gonna get some clothes pieces, and then I guess we'll see what else we can come up with, guys. See what else they have. The women's section here, I mean, I guess it's the typical size of like any other Walmart. Wallets, but she has enough of those. I'm definitely not buying her no more purses because she has too much. Like, my mom is literally the mom that, like, she gets like all the stuff and she has all of the stuff. So it's like, if you are looking to get her something, it's like you really have to like go all out to find her something that she like doesn't have already. So I don't know how this is gonna go, guys, but let's see if there's a rock in my shoe. See if we can find something. I guess this was a bust. All I managed to find was this one shirt that's cute. And I guess I'm just gonna go with the wine theme because I don't know what else to get her, guys. Like I said, she like has everything already, so it's like, what do you get a person that has everything already? Yeah. I'm gonna go back here really quick and see if they have any like wines or anything. Oh God. Please don't shoot me. I haven't actually touched anything like that in here. I'm gonna go and see if I can find anything in here, any wine. Like I said, I don't know, so I'm just gonna be guessing with what I get. I hope you guys can hear me. Y'all, this is like $10. Oops, sorry. So this is $10 for this huge bottle. But I don't know. See, wine. I guess that's on the other side here. Okay, yes, so the other wine is on this side. I don't know what to get, y'all. I literally have no idea what to get. That Chardonnay. You know what? I don't know, but I'm just gonna grab something, and if she don't like it, she can give it away. Okay, yeah, so we're just gonna go with this, and then we're going to head to Dollar Tree and see what we can find there. We're gonna head over there and see what we can find over there and see what we can get from there to fill out the rest of this box. I'm sending her a box, so we're gonna see what we can get to fill out the rest of the box. To go with this card, I think. I'm not really seeing any other cards that, I mean, this one's kind of cute. And now, the fun part of picking all the crap. that goes in the box that I'm gonna be sending her. So the color scheme, I guess I'm going for is kind of like gold, gold and like neutral colors. So let's look and see what we can find. These are cute, guys. These are super cute. To match, kind of like that one, but that one's, it's cute and ugly at the same time. I don't know. I guess I'll figure it out and then come back to you guys and let you know what I decide on. And I just came over here and I see that they have so many more cards than the aisle that I was looking in. And I was looking for cards for Mom and I couldn't find them for the life of me. And then finally I found just this small section like down here at the very bottom for Mom. So I guess we're gonna see what I can find from down here. Should have gotten a basket. These are cute. And here I am getting sidetracked. Oh shoot. They've only got one of those, but that's cute. This is what I'm looking for. And I lied. I just got the cards that I had. Just kept the card that I had. Now I've got to find so I am leaving the final store now. I came in Hy-Vee just to see what they might have, but they have nothing. And my phone died while I was in Dollar Tree, but I only got like 5 things. So I am gonna go home now and I'll try to give you guys, or I might do it in the car, just to show you guys really quick what I got, and then that will be the end of this video. Okay guys, so I am back home from running all day. And I just wanted to come on here, like I told you guys earlier, to just show you everything that I got. So I got this, which is for Easter, but I will be using it as a filler. And then these things I got are like see-through, if that makes sense. Like I don't know if you can see them on there, but they're not opaque. And then I got this to go on top. I showed you guys this already, the card. This bottle of wine, and this is the Sundays Fun Days shirt that I got. So I just wanted to come on here and just show you guys that. Like I said, I will be putting this together for her. Our birthdays is like our birthdays are like a week apart. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and then I'm gonna put this together. If you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I was actually able to do more today in this vlog, so I was happy about that. Hopefully you guys will be happy about that too. But don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Like I said, I do respond to you guys' comments. Don't forget to turn on your notification posts and hit the little bell so that you'll be notified every time that I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Bye.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.